How to make a custom sticker with a Cricut. Okay, first you want to make sure you have Cricut Design Space installed and open on your computer. Press New Project. Once you're here, you can either create your own from scratch or you can just upload an image. We're going to be creating our own from scratch. So I made a little magic wand with this shapes tool, and now we just need to group it together. Highlight your design, go over here to combine and unite. Once you're done, go ahead and press make. You'll see a screen like this, and usually I just move it down and a little right just so nothing gets chopped off at that borderline. We're gonna be using a 12 by 12 mat to cut this on, so make sure these numbers here are the same as these measurements. Go ahead and press continue. Okay, now if your Cricut is connected, you should see this screen right here. But wait, we need to prepare our mat first. Hopefully you have a bunch of vinyl that you could use to cut this out on, and you could pick any color. We're gonna be using bright pink. We're gonna make a bright pink magic wand. Go ahead and pull this clear layer off your mat. Then get your vinyl and try to line up the corners of your vinyl with the corners of this mat as best as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you're all done, you could use a tool or your fingers to press it all down and make sure it stays on. Make sure you set the base material you're using. We're using vinyl, so I just select vinyl here. We're gonna keep the pressure at default, and make sure you just follow these directions and you load up these tools if they're not already loaded up. Let's go ahead and put our vinyl and line it up with these little things here. Put it right in there, and you should feel it stop. Go ahead and click this blinking button and it will retract in. Once you're all loaded up, all you gotta do is press this go button. After it's done, it should say unload mat. Go ahead and press this button to bring it back out. Go ahead and peel the whole thing off the mat, and make sure you put the clear cover back on the mat. If you look really closely, my magic wand is actually cut right here, so what we're gonna do is just cut a little general square just to make it a little smaller and easier to cut out. Now that your design is cut, your Cricut should have a bunch of tools that come in handy. We're just gonna remove all the pink around the design that we don't want. So go ahead and peel all the vinyl around your design. If you made a wand, it should look a little like this. Now we're gonna need some transfer tape. Shoot, dropped it. Okay, just cut a little square about the same size as this. Once you have your square cut out, just peel the clear part off and apply it right on there. It's all right if there's a little hanging off the edge, but that's all right. You know, press it down, make sure it's nice. Whoop, that's okay. Okay, now believe it or not, you're done. This is it, you're done, you finished. Now, literally all you have to do is just, okay, let me rephrase this. All you have to do is just peel off this white part, stick your transfer tape on your surface, right? And then take the transfer tape off of the pink. And then your sticker will just be on there, stuck, and it will look beautiful. That's how you make a custom sticker with the Cricut. Boom.